Hello everyone, today I will print some statue from plastic King PET-G. I buy this plastic for test. Is good. I test for speed the plastic and I can print about 24 cubic millimeter per second on QIDI Q1 Pro. And this is the statue. I will print them from the PET-G. It's like this. I will choose the PET-G. King PET-G. Okay. This is after test the configuration for the PET-G. What I use, maximum volumetric speed, I put 20 millimeter per second. It's about 20% less from maximum volumetric speed. What I test is better do like that, because we use the nozzle width little more than 0.4. This is cooling for this plastic. Setting for retraction. We'll see here what I use. I use the profile 0.12 millimeter. It will be very fine. Here I not change nothing. I think all is like I need. In strength I need to alternate extra wall, maybe. Yes. I will use the adaptive cubic. Infill combination. Yes, this I also will use. This is speed, what I use for the profile. I get this from my table, and this worked before very good. This is a table for printers. We have here ORCA Slicer. We choose the ORCA Slicer, and we go to the QIDI Q1 Pro to choose the speeds for print. Okay, we have here 0.4, 0.12, 40, 70, 120, maximum 420. I use all these speeds. I put in the slicer, how we see here. You can see all this. Yes, I not change the acceleration and jerk. We need here support 3 auto I will use. Also this is default organic. Okay, I choose the organic. Okay, on build plate only. Advanced don't support bridges. Independent support layer height also. All the other settings I not change. all is auto. Okay, I finished change this. Now we make the slice plate. A little weight. I not reduce the triangles in the statue. I want to be very in detail. Okay, this is what we have. The statue will print on QIDI 5 hours 23 minutes. The cost for print, all the cost with material and hours print is 23 for me. It's not matter. Everyone have something coder. Yes, I think will be very good. Support is automatic, but is in the places where I need them. Okay, I will go to print the statue now, and we wait when the statue finish. How we see the print is well from this plastic. Thank you very much for everyone. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.